So in this video, I'm quickly just going to show you how you can set up a Zilch account. And also, it is worth mentioning, if you use my referral link in the description, by signing up to Zilch through my link, you'll also be eligible for a free £5 in rewards. So it's essentially acting as a free £5 in credit, which you can then go ahead and use on whatever you want. So first things first, click the link below, and once you've done that, it should open you up to this page here, where it will then give you the option to claim your £5 reward. So to claim it, you'll just want to go ahead and select Get Started. And then from here, it'll give you the option to create an account. So you'll just want to enter your email and password. Then once you've done that, it will open you up to this page here and you'll just go ahead and click Continue. So for the next step, you'll just need to enter your phone number and then go ahead and confirm it with the code they sent you. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to enter your personal details, including your full name and date of birth. And then you'll also need to enter your address and you can go ahead and search it here. And then once you've done that, you'll be asked to review your personal details. And if you're happy, you can go ahead and select Continue. And then once you've done that, if you're eligible, you should be welcomed with this screen here and you can go ahead and select Continue. And then from here, it will let you know how much credit you've got. Obviously, it might be a small amount to start off with. Obviously, this does increase the more you use Zilch anyway. But for the next step, you'll just want to go ahead and scan the QR code to download the app. Then moving on, obviously you can find the app within Apple and you'll just want to go ahead and download it. And then once you've downloaded it, you should be welcome with this screen here where you can then go ahead and sign into your new Zilch account. So once you've entered your email and password, you might need to reconfirm your email. So you'll just want to go ahead and enter the code they sent you. And then once you've done that, you should be welcome with this page here. So you'll just want to go ahead and select Continue. And then once again, it will let you know how much credit you're approved for. So again, you just want to go ahead and sign up for Zilch at the bottom. Then for the next step, it will send you your credit agreement. So you'll just want to give that a read. And if you're happy, you can sign it at the bottom here. Then next up, you'll just need to attach your debit card to Zilch. So for this example, we're attaching a Monzo account, so you may need to approve it. And then once you've connected your debit card to Zilch, you'll be welcome with this screen here, which will just confirm that your debit card is now added, and you'll just want to go ahead and select Continue. Then for the next step, you'll just need to verify your identity, so you can go ahead and select Continue again. So for this part, you'll just need to select some identification, so this can be a passport or driver's license or a residence permit. So once you've selected your ID, you'll just need to take a photo of it. And then along with that, you'll just need to record a video of yourself. And then once you've done that, you might need to wait a bit while they confirm your ID. But then once they've confirmed it, you'll be welcome with this message here, which will confirm if you want instant notifications. But of course, this is optional. And then finally, you'll just need to select your passcode and then reconfirm that passcode. And then lastly, you should be welcomed with this page here. And then from here, you'll then see your new Zilch dashboard and then you can go ahead and start using it. And in addition to that, you'll see your new £5 reward in credit at the top here. And you'll be able to use that reward to contribute to your first purchase within Zilch. And again, there's a lot on Zilch, such as Tesco, Sainsbury's and Asda. And yes, that £5 reward can be used in store with any of those shops. But again, there's loads of shops here, so feel free to have a look and you can use that £5 reward on whatever you want. But overall, that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.